How to fix Facebook not working on iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check for the updates for the app. For that, launch your App Store. Now search for the app Facebook. After app appears, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been resolved or not. Next up, what you can do is give a fresh restart to your device. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, head over to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on the option of Shutdown. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Next up, what you can do is check for new updates. Click on the option of Software Update. If you find any new updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Next up, hit back. Now, go to this option, Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can give a fresh restart to your router, forget this network and rezone it. Likewise, switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is completely delete Facebook app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Facebook app. You'll get the pop-up. Click on Remove App, click on Delete App. Once you delete the app, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app and then download it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Facebook not working on iPhone iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.